Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Headed into Alexandria near DC. Check this car, see if I can put the timing belt back together and if it'll start. Man, the traffic has been like this since I left Fredericksburg. Bumper to bumper, almost 65, 70 miles an hour. I left about 5:45. These people start early around here. Good Lord. It is worse than a NASCAR racetrack out here. Where are all these people going? Hey, the remote unlocks it. Now I'm coming here to see if I could put this timing back together and start this car, even though it may have some bent valves. It may start and run enough for me to get it on the trailer. But I heard a couple people say they started a couple of these cars and been driving them for 50,000 miles after they got a busted timing belt. So here goes nothing. However, I did forget to get a C-clamp to compress my tensioner. So if this has the old style hydraulic tensioner, I'm going to have to run and get a C-clamp if I get this timing lined up. They got a newer grill. That grill's like out of a 2000. Here we are, pulling the hood twice. Pulling the hood twice. I might be in luck with a mechanical tensioner. The manufacture date is 6/98, which means it should have a mechanical tensioner. So there you see it. Timing belt cutting through the cover. Hopefully the timing belt's still intact, but heck, if the timing belt's broke, I gotta go get a belt too. Let's see what we got here. Wow, that cover's cut all the way down there. I can't get it off, so I'm gonna have to pull this serpentine belt. My guess is the belt broke, but let's keep moving. Check it out. Interesting. The battery bolt is all the way loose, but it's too tight to get it off. I can't get it loose. Ugh. Let me get something to tap that with. This one looks loose too. The nuts that screw it down. It's easier for me to get this serpentine bracket off with the computer removed. So I just removed the computers, removed that box, then I get that serpentine belt stuff loose and off. Let me go pull the tension off of that real quick. Definitely got a loose belt. Not sure why yet. Timing belt cover got cut off at the top. But the belt don't look broke. Tensioner must have come loose or something. See if I can figure out. Huh. Oh, water pump is seized. That's going to be a no. Seized up water pump. I tell people, if those water pumps are 10 years old, replace them. This is an original water pump. I don't know if it ever leaked. The reservoir is low, so maybe the water pump's been leaking. I'm gonna ask the seller of the vehicle, but I'm not gonna be able to get that running. So wrap this up, get back down the highway, throw these parts in the car. Hitting this junkyard, get a couple of trim pieces for Cleve since I'm out in this area. Man, I keep walking through spider webs out here in this place. Like the fourth one I done walked through. These spiders must be migrating or something. This is getting on my nerves, creeping me out. I just hit another one. Yuck. Anyway, I am going to grab a couple of trim pieces and get on my way. I'm gonna have to stop, get these spider webs off me. It's another junkyard that's kind of a mess with the cars on the ground. But they do have a few P80s out here. V70, S70, dark one, dark interior, light interior. Couple P2 cars. They up here on the left, the Volvo section. Got a bunch of BMW stuff over here. I don't think I've ever seen so many BMW. And it looked like a 633 or a 635 over there. So let me grab a couple of Volvo parts and get back down to Fredericksburg. Gotta knock a few things out on this real quick. I'm gonna replace 2 pieces of trim. This passenger light, change the oil, check, see if I gotta tune the flash on it, and then I'm gonna get that C70 over there, replace the seat, replace the power steering reservoir, change the oil on it. Got an hour to do it, so I better get cracking. This trim right here is totally busted. Roof liner needs to be replaced too, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this trim. I didn't get the right color trim. I got a 2-tone trim. I thought he had 2-tone, but he has the 1 color. Grabbed the wrong one. Crap. Maybe I'll replace that next time I come. Gotta take pictures of this stuff, I tell you. Look like his dome light's about to fall out as well. The front one's busted too. It's supposed to come and lock into that. That piece is missing. Anyway, got that busted piece replaced right there. Looks like a little bit different color, but maybe not. Put this gasket back up in there and move to the other side. The other side, the seatbelt will have to be taken loose to get that piece over there replaced because it's busted near the top. Got this cracked power steering fluid reservoir replaced. The old one had several parts in it. I guess one of these caps had come apart one time and all the pieces fell in the reservoir and nobody bothered to get it out. So anyway, it's out now and it looks like it was leaking at the seam where it meets the coolant reservoir tank. Cracked along there somewhere. Got the power steering pump and reservoir changed. Got the oil changed. I do not know how to reset the service light with Vita. I need to figure that out. And I'm scanning the car because it has a check engine light. See what it comes up with. Service light was easy to reset. I just pushed and held the trip computer button in, turned the ignition on to run. Let it sit there about 10 seconds, then the service light started flashing. Then I let go of the trip computer and just shut the ignition off. That was it. I also found something plugged up in this front drain hole in this door. So I was trying to pull it out, but it went in. That should be good until it plugs the hole again. Hopefully it won't. So next we're going to replace this seat and maybe the seat bottom. This seat, the leather's in good shape. However, when you flip this up, the seat won't fold forward and it won't slide forward. So it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to put some power to it, raise it up, undo that, get this seat out, replace it with the one I got from the salvage yard, and then take the skins off of it and put them on that other seat. Working seat. About to hook up Betsy. I'm gonna winch it up here on this tow dolly. Rhino Wrecker Service. We do what they can. They'll do it, but it'll cost. They hooked up their winch, drug the car up on here for me. I'm tying it down. I hooked up their straps, and I'm gonna haul it back. There it is, folks. Now that it's hooked, it's time to book. Yes, here I am. Got to a hotel about 10:15 at night. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning. I left the hotel in Fredericksburg, Virginia at 5:40. Went, did some work, did some running around, tried to take care of a few things. Went back to that hotel, checked out late, 2 o'clock, went to Alexandria, Virginia, got jacked by a tow truck company. Had them pull a car onto a car dolly for me, charged me $275. Then I come here, Belle, Vernon, Pennsylvania, just south of Pittsburgh, and I run into one of the big four. I think the human race has 4 major problems. One of them is selfishness. I got 23 bags I need to carry in my room. And what do these people do? One of my pet peeves, they keep the luggage carts. When they checked in, they needed a luggage cart to carry their luggage from their car up to the room. Let me go in here and find out how many rooms this hotel has. Here at the hotel, somebody takes the luggage cart to take their luggage to their room, and they keep it. Don't even bring it back. How selfish can you get? I got a bunch of bags. I'd like to get up to my room. Now I gotta make 6 trips. Because you are too selfish or lazy to bring the luggage carts back down here. Look, they got 2 of them. Neither one of them are here. 2 people did this. I've been here for 40 minutes. No luggage carts yet. They got them in the room somewhere, locked away. There are probably 70 rooms in this hotel. But no, they don't care. They're going to keep the luggage cart. Stop it. If you're going to use the luggage carts, go right to your room, drop your luggage off, and bring the luggage carts back. Don't keep them in your room where nobody else can use them. Other people need them. There's elderly people checking in and out of these rooms. Knock it off. Or just carry your luggage up yourself. You're too lazy to bring the cart back. Shame on you. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.